Welcome back to another enlightening tutorial series with cross-sell and upsell. Today, we embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of cross-sell reporting. Within your app settings, activate the conversion tracking options. This enables the display of popular products, allowing you to monitor your store's best sellers, most viewed items, and those items that may need a performance boost. Once activated, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you have the flexibility to review data for the last 7 days, the past 30 days, or select a specific time frame, perfect for analyzing sales from a recent promotion or deals. Still on the dashboard, you can gain insights into the clicks, the number of orders featuring cross-sells, the generated revenue, and your average order value. Dive deeper into the clicks and conversion reports for a comprehensive view of which products are capturing your customers' interest. The source of these conversions will also help you understand which products customers are more likely to effortlessly add to their cart. Download and email these detailed reports at your preferred frequency. Our app simplifies reporting, eliminating the need for a separate, cumbersome analytics tool. For our classic user interface, accessing these reports is a breeze. Simply navigate to the dashboard and the report sections to see your data. See how effortless it is? Dive into the world of cross-selling and upselling with our app. Reveal the simplicity of boosting your sales and effortlessly obtaining the reports to support it. Install our app now and join our demos. We can't wait to welcome you aboard.